Today we're going to talk about what to use on your wig and how often you should be washing it. So I'm going to start off with saying that you don't need a ton of products for your wigs. You only need actually about 3, maybe 4 products. When you are shampooing and conditioning your wig, you want to make sure that you're using something that is sulfate-free and paraffin-free, something that has a lot of antioxidants in it and a lot of vitamin A, E, and C, so that we can really help repair the hair and keep it nice and nourished. Should you be washing your wig? That is a super good question to ask because I get asked that all the time. When do I know when I should be washing it? I think that if you're going to be wearing your wig every single day, I would wash it after about 10 to 14 wears every single day in a row. I myself don't always wear the same wig every single day, and sometimes I do, but I find I can get away with washing my wig sometimes even once a month. This one, I actually didn't wash it, I would say, for about 2 months, and I wore it almost every single day. The biggest trick that I did do though to keep it that way is I didn't use a ton of hairspray. I didn't use any other products except for oil every single day, and that was to keep my hair feeling nice and soft. After a while, my makeup was getting on my wig, so a good trick for that too is sometimes, even if you don't have to wash the whole wig, just wash the front pieces of your hair. Another trick is if you don't actually have to be shampooing it every single time, but you know that your wig needs a little bit more care, just try wetting it down and doing a conditioning treatment on it, whether that be a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner. Let it sit for a couple of hours, rinse out, and then style as per usual, or let it. Make sure that when you are shampooing your wigs and conditioning that you're not using products that you are unaware of, because you could actually wreck your wig and you could do some damage to it. It doesn't need to be clarified, but all it needs is some love and some hydration. So make sure that you're using the proper products on your wigs because you do pay a lot for them. It is an investment, so you want to make sure you buy the right products. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos coming.